Hi, so today we are going to learn how to install SOFiSTiK. For this, first you need to install SOFiSTiK Application Manager, which is available on SOFTiStore. Once you have installed SOFiSTiK Application Manager, you can open it like this, and we'll wait for a second. Yes. So now here you can see this is our home page. We have SOFiSTiK 2023, 24, and 25 versions available. We'll select SOFiSTiK 2025. Okay, now here you can see that it says this is 2025 part 5 or version 5. So this is fifth release, or this is a new release in SOFiSTiK. We need to install SOFiSTiK FEA, we need to install SOFiPlus-X, and we'll install SOFiSTiK Rhinoceros interface. When you click here on install, you can see there is an option to select Rhino 7 or 8, but here we only have got Rhino 8 option. And we'll select Rhino 8, we'll click on next, we'll click on apply, and it will start downloading or installing automatically. Thank you.